Welcome to Stone Hands, to the Hands of Stone. Find your unique voice, your own style of presentation. As you may notice, sometimes some of the greatest radio hosts, podcast presenters, YouTube presenters are quite shitty in their talk, in their style of talking. They stutter, they make weird noises, they breathe in too loudly, but they have found a way to harness their weaknesses into their unique strengths. Like there's one really popular podcast in our country, and the presenter is always taking a really strong breaths in, like, and you hear it, like, again he's doing that. But in long term, it becomes addictive because you get familiar and used with his style of presentation, and it becomes a really captivating element of the show, actually. Or like a storyteller that I know. He's a professional storyteller. So, in kind essence, he tells fairy tales to adults, not to children, but to adults. and he stutters, he loses the words, but he's always so positive. He does not let his own stuttering, let his own imperfections to stop him from doing what he's doing. So you don't have to be always perfect. You don't have to have a perfect way of presentation. You can have a chaos around you, but it's important that you have something functioning, the core product, that the house, the foundations, they are strong, and the wind that comes, it blows, but it blows. It does not destroy the house. So maybe you see where I am going at. The aim is not to be perfect, but the aim is to have your own solid, kind essential way of presentation. The way how you are. And use your weaknesses as of your strengths. And how to apply a weakness as a strength. Not giving a fuck. That's simple and easy. For example, my weakness presenting to you as an English speaking audience is my accent. Okay? But I don't give a shit. I can do whatever I want with my accent because I cannot never have a perfect British, and I don't like American accent. So I can just do what the fuck I ever want, and that's my weakness. So I'm just speaking like I want to. That's my strength this time. So another thing is we find our unique style of presentation by doing that. So we need repetitions, rehearsal hours. So if you are an actor, you can have your scripts and texts that you act upon. You present them. Or if you're a public speaker, you can write down your script and you can rehearse it in front of a mirror. But my favorite way of rehearsing is doing a videos. So I did a 100-day challenge. Actually 115 days. I did a video each day, speaking on a random topic. And doing that, I managed to create my new company. Okay, I managed to start a new business. I found many new followers, and I articulated many important things for myself, and I learned to speak in a more fluent and easier way. Although I had done hundreds of hours of public speaking beforehand, it still gave me some new insights and confidence. How can I do that? So My favorite way is to film myself. I'm making a video, and I do not usually watch my videos, but when I watch, I really like them. Sometimes we are watching with my wife my own YouTube videos because they are just awesome. It's just nice to listen because I have found my unique way of presenting my own unique style. And it comes by making repetitions, repeating. So some people need more preparation, so you can write your speech and you go in front of a mirror. Dear listener, today we shall dwell upon a mountain. Okay, dear listener, I am very cheered to be here. You see, you can get your style and you can enchant it. And the best way is how you feel being natural. Okay, when you are beginner, you're starting, it's never natural, you're cramped. But make your cramp your natural state of being. Oh, everybody, I'd like to introduce myself. I am Mr. Crampfoot. So you can even use the cramp for your own benefit. And I think to ease yourself from the pain is to relax. Just it's your only chance. This moment where you're feeling uber stressed, uber sensitive, just sense it. It's the only moment in this life. Enjoy it, because soon everything may change. You might die or lose something or whatever. Just be present, be here, and don't give a fuck what others think. Okay. What they are thinking about me. Okay, it needs practice, not to care. And practice begins from asking. Start asking stupid questions from your friends, from your family, from the people that you merely know. Maybe begin to offer them something. Hey, how are you? And they begin to respond, and you get to know how they are, and then you say, oh, I got this course that I'm selling. Would you like to buy? Okay. Just learn to make offers, and you don't give a shit what people care about you. So, public speaking in a nutshell. Find your own style with repetitions. 2. Start asking questions from people, from strangers, from family, etc. And 3. Make offers to them. And then after that, you don't give a f what others are thinking about you, because you have exited your comfort zone. And there's a little tip. And if you're afraid of public speaking, one really interesting thing is to start making videos of yourself in public places. For example, in a crowded railway station or a shopping mall, you put a camera up and you start making a video, a presentation. Or you put your phone up and you make a live video. With a live video, you can just pretend that you are doing a video call with your lover or with your grandmother, whatever. So I hope you enjoy, subscribe and like, and check out in the description 8 powerful vocal exercises for you to speak, to sing. Goodbye.